Hi, friends. Happy Wednesday. Happy Winning Wednesday. I am your girl, Dominique, Atlanta's nurturing agent, and thank you so much for joining me for another episode of Winning Wednesday Tips, if you're a returning watcher. Now, if you are a first-time viewer, welcome to my channel. Thank you for taking a moment to chat with us or to kind of watch the information I have to share. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe or like the video. If you have any comments, feel free to put those in there. If you have any questions, feel free to put those in the comment section as well. But without further ado, I want to jump in. Today, I'm talking about a new guideline for FHA loans that is a complete and total game changer. Like, this guideline is going to open up access to wealth via home ownership to so many people. Now, if you are someone who has gone after applying for a mortgage and you were turned down because of your student loan debt, or your student loan debt just kind of kept you from getting approved for mortgage, then this is the video you want to watch because it's such good information. Okay. As of last month, around Juneteenth, actually, the Biden administration released information through the housing. So let me back up for a moment, just to give you some information. FHA loans are government-backed loans, right? They're insured by the Federal Housing Administration. The Federal Housing Administration works via the Department of Housing and Urban Development, so through HUD, which is through the government. So that's just that. Now, in the past, FHA loans have been one of the most desirable loans because the down payment for FHA loans is very minimal compared to other loans. It's 3.5%, which is feasibly an amount that a lot of people can save, or that most people can save, versus 20% compared to other loans that are out there for a mortgage. So anyway, sorry, this lock is like tripping me out in the back. Okay, anyway, so the down payment is 3.5%, which has in the past made this a very desirable loan for a mortgage. Now, the credit score for this loan is also very minimal compared to a lot of other loans as well. You want to be in the sixes for this, and you don't want to necessarily be advised that credit scores fluctuate. That's what I'm trying to say. It's in the sixes now, but the market is what it is right now. So again, credit score requirements can fluctuate. So you always just want to be on top of what the requirement is at the time that you want to move forward with your mortgage loan application. But right now it's in the sixes. The minimum down payment is 3.5%. And as of Juneteenth last month, just on June 19th, the government announced that they were going to lessen the percentage requirement that would make individuals eligible to get the loan. At one point, that requirement was 1%. They would take whatever your loan balance was, take 1% of that, and then calculate that into your debt to income ratio. That's changed. That is now changed. Now they're actually only going to take 0.5%. So we're going to take half of a percent, or they're going to take your monthly payment. So if you're paying on your loans and you have a monthly payment, they'll take that number to account when creating your pre-qualification. And if you don't have any monthly payments that you're making, then what they'll do is they'll take the balance of what you owe and then take 0.5% from that and let that go into your debt to income ratio, which is going to allow a lot more individuals to qualify for homeownership. And homeownership, if you are familiar with wealth being in America, wealth in America is predominantly generated through real estate and primarily through home ownership, which unfortunately has not been the easiest for people who look like me in this country. So this is a game changer. This is huge. Right now, according to data online through the government, 80% of FHA loans are first-time home buyers. 80%. That's over half. So now with this new guideline that is going to decrease the amount needed in order to qualify, it might be over more than 80%, which is great. So anyway, I just wanted to share this news because it's huge. This is big news. It's a game changer, and it's really going to help a lot of folks acquire some of their financial goals that they have that are related to homeownership. So I hope that this Winning Wednesday tip was helpful. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you have a wonderful winning rest of your Wednesday. Have a good day.